Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to add your buyers, like how your buyer can add you on their Facebook business page without their login details required. Stay tuned. Kindly do me a favor right now, click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like this video and share it with your friends. Okay, good. So now I'm on my Facebook homepage. As you can see, I'm on my Facebook homepage right now. So I'm going to click on my page here. I want to show how your buyer can add you as an admin on their Facebook business page so that you can work on it. You can also run ads on it. So I will automatically switch my profile now to my Facebook page. Click on this switch now button. It is switching currently, guys. So right now I'm on my Facebook business page. So what I will do now is I'm going to click on this settings button. You see this settings button? Click on it. Wait a few minutes, still loading. So now I'm on the settings of this Facebook page. So you click on new page experience. So in this new page experience, as you can see my Facebook account ID, my Facebook page here. So on this place you click on people, you can see people with Facebook access. Then you click on add new. Then you click on next. So this is what I am supposed to show you a few minutes ago. So now I will go back to I'll open my home page in new tab. This page will still be here, like it will still appear like this. I want this page to appear like this. So now I'm on my profile. So I'll go down to my account here on my account. So I'll copy my username. Sorry about that, guys. So now on my profile, I want to copy my profile. So I have copied my profile username, right? So for you to do this, you have to send your profile URL to your buyer on any freelancing platform you are. They are not going to report the link because they know the tracking is directly from Facebook. So you are safe to send it, or if you wish you could short link it with Bitly, Kotley and lots more like that. So once you send it to them, ask them to add you as a friend. So now I'm going to add myself with this different Facebook account, which is also based for my business. So as you can see, guys, you see this, guys. I'm going to click on follow. If the button on the person's profile is add friend, I'm going to add friend. So right now I have followed myself here, as you can see. So now I'll go back to the previous new tab I opened. So I will paste my username here. It will bring my name immediately. As you can see, guys, you click on my name, then allow this person to have full control. Yes. So you will turn on this button. You will explain all these steps to your client, and if you want to do this, like to test run it your own account, just ask your friend, then do this beside each other so that you can be able to get it and remember it quickly anytime, anywhere. So you click on get access. So yeah, my password has automatically filled. Then I will confirm. Immediately I confirm now, as you can see, invitation expires in 31 days. So if I don't accept this full authority on my Facebook account, this invitation I sent to my other account will expire in 31 days. Do you understand, guys? Good. So now I'll go down to my personal Facebook account. So as you can see, guys, I'm on my home page here. I'll click on this notification bar. Okay, let me reload this page. I'll reload this page for now. I have to reload. this page. Okay, I have to wait a few more minutes so that it will appear. Let me click on this first. Okay guys, can you see this guys? I followed myself, you can see a minute ago. Invite to you, manage this page. You can see guys, as you can see, I click on the notification, then I will accept it. I will accept the invitation. So now I will have full access to that page. As you can see guys, now I already have full access. See, you can see it's either you click on review invitation or decline invitation. So I'm going to click on review invitation. So I'm going to click on next, accept. So I automatically accept this invitation immediately. So immediately, as you can see guys, invitation is accepted. I will switch now to that Facebook page on my other account. Just as simple as that guys. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and stay tuned for my next video. Have a nice day. So guys, as you can see this, if your buyer asks you what is this, then you ask him or her to click on both buttons and click on use page. Thank you.